What's up, everyone? Today we have this. It's the iPad Air 5th generation. It is one of the newer tablets that Apple has released recently. The iPad Air has been around for quite a few generations. I had the first and second a long time ago. So today we'll be unboxing a 5th generation. I got this one in blue color. So we'll just be unboxing it, powering it up. The setup is pretty straightforward and easy. So I don't think I'll be including that. So here is the iPad itself in a paper-like wrapping. There it is. On the iPad itself, on the back, there's the camera. There's the connectors for a keyboard from Apple. There is a fingerprint sensor up here on the power button. I am not sure if it has Face ID. The volume buttons. That's also the power button there. And in this box, we get a quick start guide. Shows you how to use very basic function. Some warranty information and regulatory stuff, and Apple stickers. I find this interesting. They don't include color-coded Apple stickers. When I unboxed a 24-inch iMac that was blue, they include blue stickers. That video isn't here. I did it not on a video. But yeah, when I opened up the box of a 24-inch, the new iMac, it was blue, the machine, and the stickers they include were also blue. So I'm surprised they didn't do it here. But whatever. Inside you also get a charging brick. Let's see how many watts it is. 20 watts. Not sure if you can see that. Let me try to focus on it. It's there. It says 20. You also get a USB-C cable. It is USB-C to USB-C. There's no lightning anymore. No lightning port. So you just connect that here, and you can charge. That plugs in down here. There are speakers on the top and bottom, so you should get stereo sound. So let's power it up. Oh yeah, in addition, the screen is also 10.9 inches. There's really nothing else in the box. I do want to see if it has oh, it does, Touch ID. I don't think there's Face ID. So yes. There it is. It's up there. So that's it for this video. Like I said, it'll just be opening up the box, showing what you get, and it's not much. The charger brick, the cable, and of course the iPad itself, and some papers and documents, and of course the Apple stickers. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, just a point of clarification about that iPad. Well, it's actually not my iPad that I unboxed. It was a friend's. Anyway, it also has support for a second generation Apple Pencil, something like something like this. Notice the little this dot thing is kind of like the wireless charger for the Apple Pencil. It sticks on it like this. And this one's actually not working. That's why it's not on this iPad. But anyway, it could stick on there like this, and then you can like write stuff on the iPad with this Apple Pencil, draw stuff on it, you know. Alright, just one more thing I would like to add, because I don't have that iPad in my hands anymore. So, just going to tack this on at the end of the video if you're still watching. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.